Hi, Lipyar here again, and this week I've been learning this hymn, Crown Him with Many Crowns, and it turned out to be a pretty enjoyable hymn to play on the ukulele. So it's in the key of C, and you're going to need 5 chords, the usual C chords, C major, F, and G, A minor, and D major. Okay, and it's in double or quadruple time, so you're going to be playing 2 strums for every symbol that you see on the song sheet. So let's play this through first verse through once. Now let's play through all 4 verses, and we're going to be using this strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Crown him with many crowns, the Lamb upon his throne. Hark how the heavy anthem drums, all music but its own. Awake my soul and sing of him who died for thee, and hail him as thy matchless King through all eternity. Crown him the Lord of life, who triumphed o'er the grave, and rose victorious in the strife for those he came to save. His glories now we sing, who died and rose on high, who died eternal life to bring, and lives that death may die. Crown him the Lord of peace, whose power a scepter sway. From pole to pole that wars may cease, and all be prayer and praise. His reign shall know no end, and round his pierced feet fair flowers of paradise extend, their fragrance ever sweet. Crown him the Lord of love, behold his hands and side, those wounds yet visible above, in beauty glorified. All hail Redeemer, hail, for thou hast died for me. Thy praise and glory shall not fail throughout eternity. So that was Crown Him with Many Crowns, and it's not too hard, so if you practice, I think you'll be able to play this. See you next time.